Welcome to LiveDesign. I will be your guide through this journey. First, log in by entering your username and password. Upon successful login, you will see the list of all your projects. Here, I select the Singapore Metro project. The project selection prepares your 3D workspace for editing. You can open the settings for this project and add the location of the project. Do this by clicking to add the start and end points of the project from the map. You can add other project properties, such as default templates for your model elements, start and end dates for the project, assign the admin of the project, set the origin, and various other properties. Based on the location data provided, the environment of that location is rendered here. Next, click on Alignment and upload your alignment data. Once uploaded, your alignment path is rendered and highlighted in red. LiveDesign is smart enough to create a model from the provided data. It generates a clash-free, parametric model following the alignment data. The model is based on constraints programmed as rules for model generation. Next, upload the SBC data. Using the SBC data, LiveDesign automatically selects and applies the best configuration to the model. You can override the generated model by choosing a different type or changing any of its geometric or meta properties. For instance, if this column doesn't suit your needs, you can change any of its properties or choose another column from the template dropdown. Clicking OK saves and applies this change. LiveDesign records all these changes and will apply it automatically the next time the model is generated. You can inform your teammates about these changes. By clicking on the Review button on the sidebar, you can create a review, provide a title and a description to create a new review for an area. The review automatically highlights the focused area and attaches a screenshot. Your teammates can provide feedback on an active review. Your manager can either approve or reject this change. Looks like he approves. LiveDesign can perform structural analysis based on the updated design. To check the feasibility of the design, click New Analysis. Choose the category of analysis you want. Select the analysis software and choose the type of analysis. Input any configuration required for the analysis and click Run. Here, we have chosen Metis as our software, so LiveDesign will gather all the required information and push it to Metis using Metis's API. LiveDesign's API allows it to be integrated with any of the analysis software out there. After a while, once the analysis is complete, LiveDesign will pull the data from Metis, and you will be able to see it as a report. LiveDesign saves all these reports as part of submittal documents, and they can be retrieved later whenever you want. It utilizes these reports to further enhance its understanding of the model and suggest better alternatives. LiveDesign can integrate with all major structural analysis software, as well as use its own solvers to check the feasibility of the structure. LiveDesign can create MEP models directly from its understanding of the architectural model. This model can serve as the base model for MEP simulations. The designer can edit these models, and LiveDesign learns from these changes to provide better models with each iteration. As various domains of the model, structure, architecture, and MEP are part of the same flow, the model is always kept clash-free. Next, let's generate drawings by clicking the Generate Drawings icon. LiveDesign will utilize the underlying AI engine to convert each section to its relevant annotated shop drawing. All edits to drawings by users are analyzed by the AI engine to identify the patterns, which it utilizes to create similar drawing for other sections. You can view these drawings by clicking on the View Drawing icon. LiveDesign keeps all these drawings in sync with drawings on LiveSite. All the generated drawings can be tracked with their revisions on LiveSite. Here, users can provide feedback on these drawings. Similar to model changes in LiveDesign, this feedback is recorded and can later be used for audits to determine who made the changes and why. Any change to the model now creates a new revision of this drawing. In LiveSite, you can compare two versions of the same drawing and immediately identify the changes. With your model ready, you can now lock your model from further changes by submitting the model. If your manager approves the submitted model, the model is locked from further edits. You can also do a submittal lock by doing a detailed submittal. Once approved, this will lock any changes to the submittals within the project. Any further changes would now require mandatory approvals by the manager. You can see the bill of quantities by clicking on the BOQ button. LiveDesign utilizes its AI engine to read the model and generate an optimized BOQ from it. LiveDesign keeps the BOQ data in sync with BOQ data on LiveSite. Any model changes in LiveDesign reflect here by changing the resource quantities. LiveSite allows you to manage your vendors. You can add vendors to the BOQ in LiveSite. LiveSite will use this to automatically generate their payment schedules and bills. As the BOQ is always generated from the model, the BOQ quantities are always up to date with any model changes. LiveSite will track any changes made to the BOQ and convert them to change orders. LiveSite can use this to calculate cash flow of the project. LiveDesign can also generate the activity lists for the project from the model. LiveDesign can use this data to generate a program plan, which is also kept in sync with LiveSite. All the common components in the model are converted to templates and instances to modules. LiveSite can use this information to identify bottlenecks and provide a prioritized activity list from Gantt to maximize the cash flow of the project. LiveSite can use the activity list to calculate the project progress on site. You can record the life cycle of an activity. By clicking Start of an activity, you can record the resources consumed for this activity. On completing the activity, LiveSite generates reports as daily project report and dashboards such as tracking dashboard from this data. LiveDesign can use this data to create a real-time 4D simulation of the site. This simulation integrates time-related data with the 3D model, allowing you to visualize the construction sequence over time. This dynamic simulation along with reports is updated in real time, reflecting any changes in the project schedule or model, ensuring you always have the most current and accurate information. Thank you for watching.